Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech G513. In this video I'll show you how to disable onboard lighting. In the beginning, let's go to Logitech G Hub and go to device settings. Right here you can press this button to disable onboard lighting. Also you can manage onboard effect between default and new freestyle. If you want to disable completely lighting, press Fn plus F5. I don't know why, but Fn button is not working currently. But basically, that's the way to do it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.